Hello, lovely people. Good evening to everyone. I hope everybody is doing well. Welcome to Akpeje's Kitchen. Today, I'm making some soft inside and crunchy outside peanut butter cookies. So, I want to share how I make this chewing peanut butter cookies with you. So, if you are ready, wire upload, go to the kitchen. Let's start how I make these nice cookies. So in my clean bowl, I put soft butter. This half cup of butter. So I add brown sugar, half cup of brown sugar and half cup of white sugar. Then I'll mix it. You can use your spoon to mix this, but I'm using hand mixer to mix it because I want fast. So I mix everything together already. So I'll add 1 egg, then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. Then I'll mix it again till everything has combined very well. Now it's time for the mustard to go in. That's peanut butter. I'm using 1 cup of peanut butter. So I'm adding the peanut butter to the butter mix. Then I'll mix it and make sure everything has combined very well. Now it's ready. It's time to add my dry ingredient. So I'm using half cup of flour, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, then I'll mix it with the butter mix very well. So I don't want to spread the flour, that's why I'm using the hand mixer to mix it first before owning it. Here we are. Everything I've mixed very well. So it's time to remove that one from the hand mixer and start taking it at the size I want. This is not too hard and it's not too soft. So I'm using my tablespoon to do this because I want all of them to be at the same size. But if you have ice cream spoon, you can use that one. It's very easy. If you have a teaspoon too, you can use any kind of, you can even take your hand and take it. So after cutting it with my tablespoon, I'm using my hand to make sure everything is round. So I finished rolling it. I'll grab my fork, then I'll press it down like this before I'll put it inside the oven. If you are putting it, make sure there's space inside them, between them. If not, you end up to stack everything together. So this is how it look like. It's time for me to put it inside the oven like 20 minutes, then it will be ready. So here we are, 20 minutes later. This is how it look like. It's now hot, so I will let it cool down before I'll remove it from the pan. Now it's ready. This is how it look like. Can you see how soft it is? And if you are eating it, it's crunchy outside. So this is how it look like. I hope you like the recipe. I hope you like this peanut butter recipe. If yes, subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. And so I see you in my next video. Bye.